What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy cool cars like this for really cheap, and it's based off a website that I don't see too many people talk about. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your phone. You're going to head to a website called govdeals.com, and I go to this website all the time because they update it pretty much once a week. But this is one of the best websites that I found to basically buy surplus government vehicles, and pretty much anything you want. I've seen tasers sold on here in certain states, just crazy stuff you can find on here. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to advanced search right off the rip, and this is how I search for everything. You're going to scroll down until location, and let's just put 200 miles, and then you put in your zip code. So I'm going to put in my zip code here. We're going to search, and right off the rip it's going to give you everything within that location criteria. It's going to give you everything that's up for bid right now. Now you can scroll through and basically see everything you want. What I usually look for is retired police cars, mainly Crown Vics, because those are pretty sweet. So but here's just an example. Here's a 2016 Chevy Caprice. Now if you scroll down, it's going to give you all the information: when the auction ends, how much time's remaining, the highest bidder, current bid, and the bid increments. If you scroll down even further, it will give you all the information that they know about it: VIN number, mileage. And the really cool thing about this website is you can ask questions. So you can ask questions about it, and the guy, whoever listed it, they'll answer it to the best of their ability. Some people know a lot about the vehicle, some of them barely know anything, and they're just posting it on there. Now, the reason that I like this website compared to all the other ones is they make buying, paying for your bid super easy. So right here I have pulled up the last auction that I won. It's for a 2009 Crown Vic. I won the bid at $525, and of course there's some fees and stuff in there, but you can see it came out to about $590 after everything. So there's not a lot of fees on this one, depending on the state you're in and the bid. But for lower bids, I found that there's not a lot of fees, which is another great thing about this. And the number one thing that I like about this website is if it's under $1,000, you can pay it with a card. So debit, credit, you just put your card information in, and you can just straight up pay for it that way. You don't have to do a wire transfer. You don't have to do anything crazy, a money order, nothing like that. Now, if it is above $1,000, then you do have to do all that stuff, a wire transfer, stuff like that. But if you're just staying under $1,000, then you can just pay with your credit card and buy a Crown Vic or a Dodge Charger. Some of the cool things about this website to get started: you don't have to put in your driver's license, you don't have to put in a social security number, none of that crazy stuff. Just basically some basic information, who to make the bill of sale out and the title to, and address so they can mail the information to you. But you don't need, any of the crazy stuff. I will say though that if you do bid on stuff and do not go through with the bid, then they will basically lock down your account, so you can't use it, so you're not making fake bids and you're not ripping people off. So this is just my favorite website to buy stuff from. I highly encourage you to check it out if you're looking for cars like that. It's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory, and it is my favorite site to go to. I check it, every few days, because there's always new stuff getting put on there. And not a lot of people know about this website, so there's not, too much competition when you start bidding. And it's just super easy and pretty great. So that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. And comment down below, let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.